If you sell products to customers in your local area, offering local delivery and in-store pickup can help you save shipping costs, fulfill orders faster, and provide a better shopping experience. Instead of relying entirely on traditional shipping carriers, Shopify allows you to offer customers the option to pick up their orders themselves or have them delivered locally. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to set up local delivery and pickup options in Shopify, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Settings in the bottom left corner and click on Locations. Before enabling local delivery or pickup, you need to make sure you have at least one physical location configured. This could be your retail store, warehouse, office, or any location where orders are fulfilled. If you haven't created a location yet, click Add Location. Enter the required details such as the location name, address, and contact information, and then click Save. Make sure the address is accurate because Shopify uses it to determine delivery availability and pickup options. Once your location is set up, go back to Settings and select Shipping and Delivery. Scroll down until you see Local Delivery and Local Pickup sections. You'll notice that these options can be configured separately for each location. To enable local delivery, click the location listed under Local Delivery and then select This location offers local delivery. Shopify will now ask you to define your delivery area. You can set delivery zones either by specifying postal codes or by selecting a delivery radius around your store location. For example, you might decide to deliver only within a 10-kilometer radius or to customers located within specific postal codes. Enter the areas you want to serve and save your changes. Next, configure your delivery pricing. Shopify allows you to offer free local delivery or charge a delivery fee. You can create multiple delivery rates based on order value. For instance, you could charge 100 rupees for orders below 1,000 rupees and provide free delivery for larger orders. You can also set a minimum order amount if required. You can further customize local delivery by adding delivery instructions. These instructions appear during checkout and help customers understand your delivery process, such as estimated delivery times or special requirements. Now let's enable local pickup. Return to the Shipping and Delivery page and locate the Local Pickup section. Click the location where pickup should be available and enable This location offers local pickup. You can customize the pickup information shown to customers. For example, you may add instructions about pickup hours, parking details, identification requirements, or how customers will be notified when their orders are ready. After saving your settings, customers located within your eligible areas will see local delivery or pickup options during checkout. The exact options displayed depend on the customer's address and your configured delivery zones. Before making these options available to customers, it's important to test the checkout process. Place test orders using addresses inside and outside your delivery area. Verify that local delivery and pickup options appear correctly and that pricing is accurate. As your business grows, review your delivery zones and pickup settings regularly. You may decide to expand your service area, change pricing, or adjust pickup instructions over time. So, to quickly recap, create and configure your locations, enable local delivery, define delivery zones, set delivery pricing, enable local pickup, customize customer instructions, and thoroughly test checkout before going live. Offering local delivery and pickup can improve customer convenience while reducing fulfillment costs. I hope this tutorial helped you set up local delivery and pickup options in Shopify. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.